Hello, ladies and gents.
I'm straight.
We are back, and we are doing something called the
He's
sound.
straight.
We're doing something.
I am really straight.
We're doing something called the sound effects challenge.
Yeah.
Essentially, we have two actors.
Yeah.
We have two actors.
Yeah.
And they will be doing a scene chosen by someone picked at random.
I am straight.
I will choose the scene first. And basically those two actors will act out a scene while the other three people come up with sound effects. The actors must incorporate the sound effects into their scene. First scene shall be a haunted house.
Oh, no.
You two are
You scare me.
you two are kids and you are both wandering into a haunted house.
Oh, we have to go together.
Yeah. And action. Hello there.
Oh.
It's Barney.
Someone came in the door. Someone came in the door.
Hey.
Hey.
Poop. I did not know that was legal.
No! I will karate chop your face if you don't take off that mask right now, boo boo.
Boo.
It's not a mask! It's not a mask! It's not a mask!
Time! That is the haunted house scene now. Anthony and I will be up.
The scene is you are shopping at Hot Topic.
But you are in love.
But you're in love.
Oh god,
You're in
I'm straight.
love.
You're about as far that way as you can go, just so you know. Alright.
Brock and who?
Brock and Luke.
Luke! Fixing her Brock, Cam, can you do this first? What I'm doing right now.
I can try, I don't know how.
Don't break her hair.
I don't know how to do what you're doing here. Anthony, what's the scene?
Stop! Wait a minute.
Fill my cup.
You guys are professional dancers. Take a sip.
Alright, I'm a
Sound
professional.
Guys, don't get so...
You guys are professional dancers and you're getting ready to start.
Alright.
I got it.
Start what?
Start dancing.
Okay.
Boom!
And action!
Alright,
What's the
guys.
scene?
Thanks. You guys are dancers getting ready to start.
Okay.
We're about to dance. You need a warm up with that. Okay, ready?
Alright, so like.
Stretch their legs.
Oh. Alright, here we go.
Crack.
Crinkle. Oh yeah! I know how to do this.
What's the scene?
You're dancers.
Ow, you guys are breaking.
Oh, my leg! Our leg! Both of the legs!
Both of the legs.
I got one good leg. I got one good leg.
Okay.
We can make one person.
Hey, look, the ambulance!
Let's dance.
Perfect!
The only way we know. Dance our way to it. Wrong way.
And scene! Ah! Okay. Sorry. What was that? Okay.
Alright, I got the scene.
Alright, what's that scene, Brock?
Two rich white people trying to survive the hood.
Trying to survive the hood, okay. Oh, what?
Oh my god! Yes, let's do it! Let's do it!
Gonna try so hard. What was that, Tanya?
Tanya, my name is Tanisha.
You guys are supposed to be
I
white.
could have sworn you were white this whole time. When did you change your name? Oh no, it's a virus. It's already spread it to you. Can I even pay to afford the
You
service? Of course I
racist.
can.
Bang,
You
bang.
racist!
Bang,
Wait,
bang.
Just tell
Bang.
me.
Ah, guns! It's the guns! Oh my gosh! It's those criminals! Ah, what is that? Oh no! Oh no! It's fire! Ah! Why? Oh gosh, why? Oh, ambulance! Perfect.
Slip, slip, slip.
Oh no! Wild beatboxers! Ah!
I'm dead! Someone call the police!
You are so good at being white, Jennifer.
Let's go.
Okay.
Christian and we're having.
Alright, so we now have Barack and Anthony, and the scene they will be doing is...
Barack.
They are CSI agents investigating a cold murder in downtown Kansas City.
It is so cold down here, dude.
It's the action.
Action! Oh.
There was a murder!
Cha!
Alex! Oh no! He's on it again!
Bang!
Kill him! Bang, bang!
Bang! Bang! Bang!
Oh. Dead.
Slice! Okay, get here already, ambulance.
Very conducted.
Oh.
Ow.
I'm about to
No, not
dab.
in front of everyone.
No,
You're
no, no,
big,
no.
Brock, that's-
I am the woman. I am in the middle.
Oh yeah. What?
Everyone, dance! This has been the Sound Effects Challenge! Hope you enjoyed! Yeah!
Please don't hurt me.
This is great.